Alright, here's Mr. Lee's dishwasher again.
Not go through it.
Kenmore Quiet Guard.
I
can't stop.
Let's see. Did I fix it?
Hey.
I'm just making the video.
We don't have time for that. We gotta go.
Michelle?
Yes.
That ice cream and that.
Yep. It's a nice dishwasher. I'm just making a quick video to show you.
Best tasting ice cream
Yep.
I've ever tasted in my life.
The only way I like cherries
Hold on.
is
There we go.
putting brandy on
Yep.
top of ice cream.
Here's the dishwasher. Here's the front.
One of those things.
Kenmore Quiet Guard.
Cherries, ice cream.
Got heavy wash, light wash.
So delicious. I
You
knew
can
that if I ate
select
it, I
between
would
different
stop.
cycles. High temp,
Love that.
I don't
wash and
like
rinse,
cherries
and heat dry.
specific way.
But I'm telling you, that is the best ice cream.
Hey, let's go.
It's got the best flavor.
Yep.
Any I've ever tasted.
And
Makes the best
it's
ice
not
cream.
digital,
They do.
but it has some lights to come on.
What's William doing?
I'm
What
just
do you think he's doing?
I'm making a video.
He's taking a video of your dishwasher. Hey, light off.